Listen up, you won't find this app in the official store, but I've got an exclusive downloader shortcode ready for you. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to install what is arguably the most powerful app on the market right now, IPTV Smarters Pro. And I'm going to show you how to unlock its full potential in under 3 minutes. Before we dive in, remember this. IPTV Smarters Pro is strictly an empty media player. It hosts zero content of its own, meaning installing it is 100% legal and completely safe. Step 1. Let's prep your device. Head over to the search bar on your home screen and grab the downloader app. Once it's installed, don't open it just yet. Go to your Firestick settings, click on My Fire TV, and then hit About. You need to click on your device name exactly 7 times to unlock developer options. Hit the back button, open up those developer options, turn on ADB debugging, and grant downloader permission to install unknown apps. This is the crucial step to fully unlock your device's beast mode. Now, launch downloader. Go to the URL bar at the top and type in this exact code, 6468112. Hit next, and it'll take you straight to the download page. Let the file load up, and once it's done, hit install. When the installation finishes, absolutely do not open it yet. Click Done, and make sure you delete the installation file. Making this a habit frees up storage space and keeps your Firestick running blazing fast. Alright, now go ahead and launch IPTV Smarters Pro from your apps list. You're going to see a super clean, modern interface. From here, select Login with Xtream Codes API. This is the most important step. On this screen, you need to enter a name, username, password, and server URL. Now, to stay fully compliant with YouTube's community guidelines, I cannot show the configuration process for these specific ports here on screen. But don't worry, I've put everything you need, including an exclusive free trial for my top-tier setup, right down in the pinned comment. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment right now to join my private tech community and get your custom setup. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.